On December 26, 2024, Mountain Home, Arkansas police get a tip about a fugitive with multiple warrants hiding out at a residence. Using drone surveillance, officers track the suspect as he steps outside. But the moment police move in, he takes off running. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
He's running. Get on the ground, Zach. I've got him taser deployed. Roll over. Yeah, roll the over. Let me see your hands. Let me see your other hand. I've got him. Just need to cuff him.
Separation is all over me. Who is this one? Which one is this?
That's Zach. Temple. Peter with 15. Taser.
I gotta lock him.
Is there any way we can twist my arms around?
No, just like this. When you run, just it is how it is.
That's right.
I apologize, dude.
Can't run from that taser, Zach.
No.
I know, especially they shoot twice as far now.
That's not it, dude.
Well, you're only like 4 feet from me when I shot you. You'll confirm those 29s from Mr. Zach Guiltner.
Dad's dying, dude. Damn it, man. Oh.
These clear weapons, we can get everything else out here.
Damn it, man.
I guess you found our friend, huh?
The drone?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard it when I walked outside. Those prongs on my ass?
Yeah, I'm about
Yes.
to pull him out. I'm gonna twing it.
I'm gonna hurt like a bitch.
Feel a small. That's already out. Feel a small jerk. Three?
Three what?
3 prongs here.
Come on, shot me right there. I'm both butt cheeks, dude.
Here, let me.
There's 7 more to go with that.
Damn.
Yeah, they give us more shots along with that. Needles are sticking out.
Hurt.
That third final one. Got him.
Well, I guess we can go get our other person too.
Yeah.
Might as well. Just get everybody that has warrants.
Went right through here.
Well, let's go a different way.
I mean, the thing goes all the way through.
All the way.
Man, we can jump it. Can't put it up.
No, here, we can go to the next road and I'll just drive over. That way we don't have to worry about you tripping, falling.
It's a little bitty step right there, man.
No, I like to do safety. Safety
okay.
first. I'm going to pull my car around.
Hey, Zach, let's walk up here to the street.
I apologize, man.
Oh, you're good. I don't blame you.
Dude, my dad, dude, I was supposed to go see my dad this weekend, man. He's dying.
Yeah.
It sucks, man.
It happens.
My ass cheek, both of them, dude.
I ain't lost yet, Zach. If you got one of the bigger boys, you might have got away. I don't know.
Yeah, you're pretty quick. You gonna charge me for playing?
Ah, we'll see. I think you got enough on your plate already, but
Yeah, I do, man. Damn it, man. Bad, dude. This sucks so bad, dude.
you're, did you get in like a fight or something with your ex-old lady or some bull?
Uh-uh.
I think there's a battery worn out.
Something from when I was in the county.
Oh, was it? Are you and her still together, or?
Just in?
I guess.
Yeah, we're still seeing each other, but...
Yeah. I think she got a warrant.
Christina?
Yeah.
She's in jail right now.
How is she?
Yeah.
They might have picked her up on it.
Who found the drone?
Might be Sergeant Evans.
Can we turn the handcuffs around.
Hang tight. Alright. Turn around and check your pockets.
Damn right, my butt cheeks, dude. Like one in each cheek.
Yep. They work good when you put them there.
Yeah. Man, I can tell you exactly what I got on me, man. I'll be honest with you. In this pocket, there's a little bit of dope, man.
Okay.
Other than that, I don't have nothing.
You're good. You want to hold that?
Did someone get his night vision thing?
Maybe. Hamburger, you got a whole pocket full, don't you?
Yeah.
You gonna put that in the front seat, right?
Throw all that in there.
Oh, damn it. Damn, man. This sucks, dude. My dad's up in there. I know we were just talking about this. Me and my stepmom was just talking about this, man.
Yeah, I guess they were looking for you the other day.
When?
A couple weeks ago.
We're doing a absconding roundup.
Oh. Absconding?
Yeah.
Got from your parole, for probation parole.
Dude, it's been like not even a week or two, man.
They're on it.
They got you on it.
Yeah.
It's the only reason I'm looking for you.
And we were hoping to use our toys. We got to use one,
What's that?
the drone.
Oh.
It's kind of like Call of Duty.
Yeah.
Not Call of Duty, Grand Theft Auto, where we got air support and then we got the dogs.
Calling
and
a UAV.
That's all I got on me, man.
Nothing in your bra.
I promise you.
Like that. Oh, you're good.
I promise you, man.
Have a seat for me.
Been on them that.
What's up? Good.
Oh, watch his knees.
Can we check my arms out or something so I can sit in here right?
What's up?
I can't get in here, man. The way my arms are.
Well, here, I'll give you a ride over there to his car, and then you can jump in his.
A lot more room in it. A little bag of dope. I'll take this with me.
Are you wanting to ride in the passenger over there?
You got room?
Should be.
Mick, chill out.
Mick, maybe next time.
Except, bro, I don't like strangers. Alright, how about that? I'll put you in a car with more room.
Did you grab
I
his?
got this other thing.
Okay. I think it's a night vision thing.
Let's go up there.
Hey, his night vision thing's in back there somewhere. Ashley put it back there. She got it.
He said, man, my ass hurts. I'm like, yeah, I shot you with a taser in your ass.
But
Well, so listen, I pulled up on him right there. I said, hey, Zach, boom, he's gone. And I caught him, I was literally 4 feet from him all the way, and they hit that creek and that brush line and got stuck in the thing. And I said, bop, 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 just shot him until I heard, me. I was like, all right, now and he's catching the dope that he had in his pocket too. A good little bit. And misdemeanor fleeing. PDLB, 15 one male, 19 to the jail.
Zachary Guiltner was arrested and charged with his 3 outstanding warrants and adding fleeing on foot in possession of a controlled substance. Prior to this arrest, Zachary Guiltner had 5 open felony cases pending. Details of those arrests will be listed in the description. And on March 10, 2025, Guiltner appeared in Baxter County Circuit Court, where he pled guilty to those felony charges. He was sentenced to 15 years in prison. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.